Hi everyone, let's create this presentation and see how it looks like. You see it's pretty great and it has its own unique effect. So let's try to create it. At first we need to insert a new slide. In our new slide, we can change the background. You see here the background colors are all unique, and the first one is the background from gradient fill that you can create that. We are going to go with this background because it's great. From here you can choose the colors. After that, it's important to create this text. This text is created by using gradient fill as a fill and also some shadow, this shadow. That's great. Now these three are just these three rectangle with a text, nothing special about them. And then we copy them. We need to recolor everything. I'm going to use another colors, new colors. Let's go with red. Red is always bad in the look, so prefer not to use that possible. Let's go with this color assumption. Okay, it's good. Now if we copy that, in this slide we are going to format the background and change the background to the color of this thing. So how we are going to use that? We are going to airdrop this thing, and after that we are going to reduce the transparency, and we pasting the text and copy that, and don't forget to increase it in size. Okay, it's great. Here we are going to increase it in size, and then we are going to change the text, and also we are going to do the same thing for the background. We are going to eyedrop this color and make the transparency lower. And let's copy and go to last slide. We create it up, copy the text, and we increase it in size. Then just simply, after increasing the size, don't forget to bring this to front, and then simply we are going to choose the background color to this and reduce the transparency. Now set the transition to morph. Your slides are as good as everywhere. You see, I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.